another slide which say that memory and address protection, that how we do the address protections over there and the memory protection. So memory, what do you mean by memory? When I say memory, yes, the RAM. So memory means the RAM protection. So how we do the RAM protection or the address protection? So preventing one program from affecting the data and programs in the memory space of the others. Okay, so when your data is loaded from here, for example, from program, okay, from the hard drive to the main memory over there. So here, so in the memory over there, it should be if there are two programs at the same time, so one program should be run over here, let's suppose, another should be in the empty space over there, right? So they should not interact with each other, so that they should not be like any interruption over there. There are different techniques for that one which is used. So that is called this. Who is managing this one? MMU is managing. What is MMU? MMU means memory management unit over there. So primarily performing the translation of virtual memory addresses to the physical addresses over there. So what it does, it translates the virtual memory addresses to the physical addresses over there, right? So this is done over there. So what do you mean by the virtual memory and physical memory? Basically, virtual memory is that sometime your RAM is shorter. Okay, so your RAM is shorter and you need more RAM. Nowadays we have like more RAM. Like now we are in the GBs. Before it was in MBs, like 32 MB RAM or 16 MB RAM, and even when we were students, so we used like 4 MB RAM as well. It was very hard for the for upload, like open more than one document or two documents or three. So it was harder for the computer to work on that one. So in that case, what they have to do, they have to make the virtual memory in the hard drive. So on the hard disk, what they do it in the hard drive, what they do it, the part of the program is they divide the program in different parts. So they make shifting for this part is in the program, and then when it is not used, it comes back to that one. Okay, so the second part is then send and then send back. I think in the networking we did this concepts over there.
Yeah.